Hey y'all, welcome to my video. If you're new, welcome. If you're oldie but still goodie, welcome. Hey, welcome back, girl. Hey. So I'm coming to y'all with a unboxing. This is for the Your Nail Lab monthly nail box by MAKRATT. This is how it looks. It is $35 a month. I will have the link down below if you're interested in receiving a box. If you're obsessed with nails, like your girl, nail supplies, anything that have to do with nails, fingers looking good, getting beat, whatever the case may be, I'll put the link down below so that you can get your addiction taken care of. So yes, again, this box is $35. It comes once a month, but you can get like a box come every 3 months if you don't need as many supplies. But let's just get into the video because I know y'all ain't coming to hear me talk. Okay, let me go ahead and open the box for you. And when you first open the box, it looks like this. It says Your Nail Lab in a box. This the box. And then it has www.yournaillab.com if you want to go and buy additional items that have separate things, or you can go to MAKRATT.com and purchase things. It comes with this little paper right here, more paper, and these are the supplies. Let's get into the goodies, baby. So first off, we have some nail extensions, and they give us these in every box, so your girl really needs to play with them. So I have this one in Freesa, and I'll put it on the screen, but this is the color right here. It's really cute, and y'all already know how the nail extension gel looks, so I really don't need to take this out of the container, but I will for people who are new or who've never seen nail extension gel. I'll take it out for you and squeeze some on my hand. But this is a really pretty color. I haven't had this color yet in the box, so that's super cool that I'm not getting the same exact colors every time. But this is the color right here. It's just like a bright pink color. Really nice. It looks like a gel, like a jelly. It can be a jelly nail, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I have is the same thing, but this is in the color Hip, HIP. And it's looking like a reddish type of color. That's going to be super cute for the fall and winter season coming up. And again, I'm just going to put a little on my finger so that you can get a vibe of the color. This is the container. This is the color. And it's really like a red gel color, like a jelly. Y'all remember them jelly beans back in the day? That's what this is giving me. So the next thing I have are some press-on nails. Okay, that's pretty cool. So these are some nail press-ons. Oh, okay. And this is how they look. And I'm actually going to try these out. Even though I make press-ons, I'm going to actually try these out and give them a go. So this is how they look. Or I might put them in a giveaway. I don't know. The next thing I have is a soak off top coat. Your girl lives for a top coat, because I go through so many top coats when I'm doing sets for clients. So I live for a top coat. So this is the container right here. And y'all know top coat's clear, so it's just basically a clear top coat. And it's a matte top coat. It looks like this. I wish it was just regular, but it's okay. And it's just a regular matte top coat. It's 10 milliliters, so that's pretty cool. The next thing I have is a gel polish. It's called Silly Secrets. This is looking like a pretty little pink. Oh, it's like a jelly pink. Like, I guess this is like jelly themed. Because it looks like the actual nail extension color. The next thing I have is another polish. This is Cardinal Maroon. Okay, it looks like this. Oh, this is pretty cool. I like this. It's subtle. It's like the purple, like the lavender purple that I like, but a little darker. I think that's cute. I really like that. That is like a nudish pinkish color, but it's not. Just go with it. So the next thing we have is this right here. I'm not really sure what this is. So if y'all can put this in the comment section. This is how it looks. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is the thing that you can put polish on there and then stick the nail in it, and it makes like an ombre, or it makes like a what is it, a French tip. I think this is the thing that you paint the polish on and then you dip your nail in there and you make a French tip. But I'm not getting like the name of it. But this is really cute and girly. I like the glitter on there and I like the color. So that's really cute. The last thing I have is nail decal. So I'm just going to show y'all how it looks. There are some really pretty stickers in here. We're just going to go ahead and open it up so we can see what it's talking about. Oh, okay. So this is how it looks. These are some nail stickers. And you get like 3 sets. All these roses are so pretty. These are pretty. I really like these. They're simple but elegant looking. Look at those flowers. Really pretty. And then they have some black faces. Those are cute. And then we have some nail decals. So these are some rhinestones. There are some pearls in here. Some jelly, clear jelly balls. There's a lot of neat stuff in here. There's some rose gold things in here too. Again, I'm going to take a picture so you all can really see, but this is how it looks. And that's pretty much everything that came in that box. It was really quick and to the point. I'm going to take a picture again up close so you can see everything that came in the box. Again, if you're interested in the box, I'm going to put the link down below. But that's my video. Really quick, fast, and to the point. Yeah, I get it done. But I love y'all so much. Hey to all my new subscribers. If I haven't said that enough, I appreciate you all for stopping by, joining the fam, becoming gang, becoming a KeyBee or a KeyDog. I love you, I love you, I love you, and I appreciate every sweet comment, every like, every share. It means so much to me and my gang, my six. But that's all I have. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to visit me on Instagram at Musics44 and my business Instagram at Press Nails and Beauty, so I can get your nails together, baby, so people can be pressed about it. What you mean? And that's just on period. But yes, until next time, all my KeyBees and KeyDogs. Peace.
What did you say?
Say peace.